A double-sided lathe is a type of lathe that can simultaneously perform turning on both ends of a workpiece. Its structure is generally a 45-degree forward inclined layout, which has the advantages of strong rigidity, convenient chip removal, and high efficiency. The double-sided lathe can process various shaft parts, such as products in industries such as plumbing equipment, valves, electrical appliances, instruments, automobiles, motorcycles, bearings, etc. The advantages of a double-sided lathe include the following aspects. It can improve processing efficiency and complete multi-station processing of both ends of the part in one clamping process, saving time for tool replacement and clamping. It can improve machining accuracy and ensure the concentricity of both ends of the part with one clamping, avoiding errors caused by multiple clamping. It can save manpower and equipment, and one double-sided lathe can replace two single-sided lathes, reducing operators and floor space.